Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be going through the Dewalt drill, model number DCD996. So we're just going to be showing you the tool features of this and then how to replace a bit. So yeah, we'll get right into it. The first thing is how to remove the battery. To do that, you just press in this button, slide it right out, and then to reinstall the battery, you just line up these grooves right here with these grooves. Push until you hear a click. Now your battery's in. Now we'll go through the forward and reverse. So you can see when you press this button in, you're in reverse. And then when you turn the drill over, press this button in. Now you're in forward. So working up the tool, you can see here we have, this is our speeds. This is a 3-speed drill, 1 being the lowest speed and 3 being the highest speed. And then these are our torque adjustments. So this drill, 1 would be our lowest torque setting, going all the way up to 11. And then this drill has a hammer function. So when you have that on, that's your highest torque. That's like more like a hammer drill. So then now we'll show you how to change a bit. To do that, this has an automatic chuck where you just loosen and tighten it by hand. So to loosen it, you just spin it counterclockwise, remove the bit, and you can see when you tighten it, the chuck starts to clamp down. So to put it back in, you put your bit in, tighten it down until it's tight, and you can hear it click. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. You have your trigger here, a little light that turns on when you press the trigger. And then there's also buttons here that control your light. You could turn it on so that your light's on all the time. This light will turn on and stay on for 20 minutes. Or just this setting is when you turn it on, when you press the trigger, the light turns on. So you can see the different settings for that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's the Dewalt DCD996 cordless drill. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have a bunch of other videos on tool tutorials. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.